Hey everyone, we'll be looking at um those tags that was sent earlier in the group. So first you bring out your HTML boilerplate. Yeah, this is your HTML boilerplate and you can give it the title. So you're already familiar with the boilerplate. We move on. The first tag, which is the complement tag. Let's write something in our HTML file, then display it in our web browser firstly. So wait for that to get displayed. Now you can see this, right? Let's say we comment this. Those using PC, you can just click on Ctrl and / to comment it. If you don't want it to show in your web browser, the comment is used to not show something you want in your HTML file, but you don't want to see it in your site. So you can uncomment that, comment that, cancel it. That's for the first tag, the comment tag. Just highlight what you want to comment, then click on Ctrl and / the same time. Yeah, so we're moving on to the next one, which is the anchor tag. Is the A is used to hyperlink a file to another file or another content in that file. So let's try creating oh yeah, it's used to link this to another file and so on. Now let's look at another tag, which is the abbreviation tag. This works hand in hand with the title attribute. So let's give the title word of organization. We want to display this in our word browser. If you hover on it, you'd see the title pop up. That's for the abbreviation tag. Let's go straight to the acronym tag. This acronym tag is also or almost the same thing as the abbreviation tag. World Health Organization. I'll give it WHO. Now we can see this. It also works hand in hand interchangeably with the abbreviation tag. Now let's go to the address tag. Now this address tag comes with its default styling. This address tag comes with its default styling. It comes with fonts with the font style italic. It's italic in the font style, yeah. So you can override that, you can style it any way you want, but that is the default styling for the address tag. Is you to put your contact any way your user can come in contact with you. You can include it in your address tag. So this is it, as you can see it here. That's the address tag. Now moving on, we look at the article tag. Look at the article tag. This article tag is just like a transparent container, just like div, used to put in self-dependent or independent things or content about that site. That's for the article. So you can just say I love coding. Do you? Yes, I do. This doesn't do anything literally. It just used to hold contents in your site, but you can design it further with your CSS. That's when we get there. Now moving on, let's take a look at the audio tag. Let's take a look at the audio tag. So for the audio tag, you bring in your audio tag, just type audio, audio. See the audio controls. Now let's remove this. So you include controls to give you that controls. You get the fast forward, the pause, the play, and the back, playback, reverse, and all those kind of controls. Then in it now, in the audio tag, you put your source tag, then you put the source of the audio. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing. Put the source. So in that source, you can put the src, the source attribute. So the source attribute, let's put my sound. And we can give the type also. Let's give the type, should be audio slash let's give it that type. So moving on, let's take a look at our audio in our web browser. So you can see that the audio is playing right now. That's for the audio tag. This is used to include the audio in your web browser. We'll be looking at those I haven't explained. I said I'm going to be explaining it alphabetically, so we'll be looking at those tags we haven't explained in A, which is applet. Applet is when we get to JavaScript, you guys will understand more of applet. Area, we'll be looking at area. We'll be looking at aside, yeah. That's all. That's 3 in A we haven't done, so we'll be looking at that in the next video. Thank you.